a comfortable visit for all of our guests. Smoking and vaping are prohibited, except in designated areas which are noted on each park map. Please see a team member for assistance. Busch Gardens is committed to
Boarding guests, please carefully step into the seats directly in front of you and pull the safety bars down over your head and shoulders. During the ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train, and your head back against the headrest. Exiting guests, please lift up on the seat. Watch your step as you exit carefully to your right. Thank you for riding the Loch Ness Monster. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens. Boarding guests, please carefully step into the seats directly in front of you. Pull the seating bars down over your head. Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside.
Hard part's getting into these things.
All loose articles will be removed.
Okay.
If you are not riding in this time, please step behind the platform. Gates are now closed. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Is that motion activated?
I know, it's actually on right now.
Yeah.
I just got the screens off to see some power. Here we go.
Is that what they call the GoPro thing?
Yes.
Old school. Coasters.
Nope.
Man.
Usually I like this Monster in the tunnel, but
This thing beats the crap out of you.
yep.
Man.
It was designed by using coat hangers.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Way before computer design. Okay. Not too bad. I didn't get beaten up too bad on this one.
It's the first roller coaster. I'm glad it's over.
No, but the rest of the park are pretty smooth.
Yeah. We've been on almost everything so far.
Okay.
A 61-year-old body can't take this.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
Thank you for riding the Loch Ness Monster. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens.